Tap tech, where smart tech meets real talk. If you've ever dreamed about living in the future, you're about to see it on your face. Glasses that don't just help you see, but help you know, learn, and experience more. Today we're looking at the Xiaomi Smart AI glasses, and this is one product that could change how we use technology every single day. How many times today have you picked up your phone just to check something small? A message, a map, a translation. Now imagine never reaching for it again. Instead, the answers appear right in front of your eyes, naturally, without breaking your flow. That's what these glasses are designed to do, and once you try it, your phone suddenly feels a little outdated. At first glance, they don't look like futuristic tech. And that's intentional. Xiaomi didn't go for a bulky, sci-fi look. They kept them slim, lightweight, and stylish enough to pass as normal glasses. Around 40 grams in weight, light enough to wear for hours. That's a crucial detail, because if smart glasses aren't comfortable, no one will wear them. Xiaomi clearly understood that. The standout feature is the display. It uses a micro-OLED panel with waveguide optics to project a crisp floating image into your field of view. It's not overwhelming or distracting. Just enough to show directions, text, or quick information clearly, even outdoors. Picture walking through a crowded city and seeing arrows right in front of you, guiding your path. Or glancing at a restaurant menu in another language and watching the translation appear instantly. That's not a dream anymore, it's happening here. Of course, glasses like these need more than just a screen. They need intelligence. Xiaomi's AI system is what makes them feel alive. It doesn't just wait for commands, it reacts to your environment. Look at a sign, and it can translate it instantly. Look at a landmark, and it can bring up details about it. It can handle reminders, schedules, and quick searches too. The difference is that it feels like it's part of your world, not another screen pulling you away. There's also a built-in camera, neatly hidden in the frame. It's around 12 megapixels and easy to activate with a quick tap. You see something worth capturing, and it records from your own perspective, instantly. For travelers, it's like having a diary through your eyes. For creators, it's hands-free content. Everything syncs to your phone or cloud right away, so you're never worrying about where files are stored. Battery life is surprisingly solid for such a small device. Expect 5 to 6 hours of active use per charge. It won't get you through an entire day of heavy use, but it's enough for trips, commuting, or focused sessions. With lighter use, you'll stretch it longer. Charging is simple with the magnetic dock. This is one area where the technology still has limits, but Xiaomi has managed a good balance between size and power. Audio is handled by open-ear speakers built into the frame. Instead of covering your ears, they direct sound right toward them. You can hear calls, notifications, or even music while staying aware of the world around you. That makes them safer than earbuds when walking or cycling. And surprisingly, people nearby barely notice the sound. Calls are clear, and while music won't shake the room, it's crisp enough for daily use. Pairing and connectivity are smooth. If you use a Xiaomi phone, you unlock the full set of features with deep integration. But they still work well with other Android phones, giving you most of the key functions. Wi-Fi and Bluetooth keep everything synced. Transfers are fast, updates are smooth, and the experience feels polished instead of experimental. Now let's talk about the cost. Most smart glasses and AR headsets cost thousands, putting them far out of reach for everyday users. Xiaomi decided to go in a different direction. These glasses come in at around $600 to $700. Still an investment, but compared to rivals, far more accessible. For early adopters and tech lovers, that makes them far more tempting. So, are they worth it? The strengths are clear: sleek design, lightweight comfort, sharp display, intelligent AI, real-time translation, a capable camera, and a price that undercuts most competitors. The weaknesses? Battery life could be longer. Some features only work fully with Xiaomi phones. And no, they won't completely replace your smartphone just yet. But here's the bigger picture. When the first smartphones arrived, people said they didn't need them. The same happened with smartwatches and wireless earbuds. At first, they seemed unnecessary. But once people started using them, they became part of everyday life. These glasses feel like the start of that same journey. Not perfect, but the first step into a future that feels inevitable. For travelers, their incredibly useful instant translations and guided navigation change how you explore. For creators, they open new ways to capture and share life. For professionals, quick access to info without pulling out a phone is a real advantage. And for anyone curious about the next wave of tech, they offer a taste of what's coming. The bottom line is this: Xiaomi Smart AI glasses don't replace your phone, but they make you less dependent on it. They move us from staring down at screens to looking forward, with information woven into the world itself. Once you get used to it, going back feels like a step into the past. Tap Tech, testing the rumors so you don't have to. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep your eyes on the future.